Okay, so today we're going to repair a fob from a Saab 9.3, and what you can see here is happening is on the circuit board it came loose here, so that's one piece we're going to repair, and then I may potentially replace this button that is also broken with this one that's supposed to sound like this. I may move this one over to this one, and if you can see, this is how they correlate together. You simply get to the circuit board, you pull it out of this area here, and you open the fob by simply inserting the key here and twisting it open, which pushes it apart, and then you get access to the circuit board. So let's fix this part. And this was causing a problem with unlocking of the vehicle, right? So this is this particular button here. So we're gonna first solder this piece here. Gonna line it up a little bit, there we go. And we'll just add a little bit of solder here. Hopefully we can fix it. I think I got it. Let's see, yep. And then we'll also reinforce the other side, since this was all wiggly from all those years. There you go. So that's done as well. And let's just test it now. Yes, it's firm. And if you push it, it obviously makes the sound. Now this one is apparently all worn out, and as you can see, this one kind of fell apart. So what it has is this little piece that essentially is supposed to sit in here like this. Let's see if we can get it in. And then this goes over it like this. And I'm kind of pushing it together. As you can see, it's not holding on the ends really well, so this one is pretty much done, but it's impacting our ability to open the trunk. So that's the piece that's not working. So I decided I'm going to replace those switches, and I'll find the replacement ones. So in the meantime, we've got this fixed, and let's just put it together. So all you do is you put it in position here. Obviously this button's not going to work until I get a replacement switch, and push this together, and then you insert the key, and that's it.